Yo, this your boy Earthquake in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm coming. We on the tour. Laugh Out Your Pain tour. Brought to you by the United Dialysis Foundation. That's right, your boy Earthquake gonna be in the building at the Soundback Hilton Hotel. That's right, it's on 4th and Muhammad Ali. Right there at the corner. You know where it's at. We will be there on April 23rd. Come on, laugh out your pain. That's right. Get that dialysis right. We're gonna have a good time. Make sure you get your sugar together. Make sure you don't have type 1, 2, 3, maybe 15 diabetes. We're gonna have a good time April 23rd. Come see us. We're gonna have a good time. I got my boy Joe Toy with me, hosted by Double D. Austin gonna be in the building. And yours truly, the one and only, Earthquake's gonna be in the building. Come on, Louisville. It's time for you to do it. Come on, Louis. You know it's time. April 23rd. Come see your boy. We're gonna have a great time. Laugh out your pain.